Hello my friends, what is going on? So today, recently I watched a video from Bikes, Beards, and Brews, Ben, where he took a 300-mile round trip ride to go get some beer. I'm not doing that. I don't drink when I'm on the bike, but we're gonna find out where I'm going after the intro. So, those of you who don't know, I am a fan of dill pickles. And today, what we are doing today is we are going to this place that makes pickles into sandwiches. And from what I see, they have these huge pickles, and they make sandwiches, hoagies, subs, whatever you want to call them, out of it. The pickles like the bread. So nice car. Is that the new Vet? Wow, that is the new Vet. So today we're going to do that. I gotta see if I can find the place, but we are going to do that today. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. Wow. This is actually an area where I used to hang out. I used to come down. I didn't live far from here when I was a kid, and we used to come into the Collingswood area and hang out, and we knew people in here and all my friends, and so we'd hang out down here. And like I said, it's been, fuck man, it's been a long time since I've been down here. So I don't know exactly where this place is at. Maybe I should have like GPS'd it and found out, but I didn't, because that's not who I am. Place has really changed a lot. So this is Oakland now. I might have to Google it and see where I am and see if I can find this place. I don't even know, 30 miles an hour. That's an odd. That is an odd. I think I have to go back the other way, in all honesty. Yeah, because we're getting deep here, so maybe I need to oh fuck, who's backing up? I guess I should pull over somewhere and see where this place is at. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna pull into this Wawa up here and see if I can find this place. Ooh, damn, do not enter. Oh well. What can you do? Not from town. Alright guys, here it is. Peace, love, pickles. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna order some sandwiches. Oh, wait a minute. Are they closed? It says closed. Are you open? Alright, let me see. You guys open? Yeah. Oh, the sign says closed. Awesome, they're open. Alright guys, let me order my food and I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the turkey and cheese. This is not what I got, this is somebody else's order. I just asked if I could get a little bit of film and a little bit of video of it. Oh my god, that looks good. The pickle must be huge. It's cut into 4 pieces. My god, that looks tasty. I can't wait. I got a roast beef. It's called the Vampire Slayer. The Vampire Slayer. So, for whatever reason, when I tried to record an outro, an ending to this video, yeah, I don't know if it was my little fat fingers on the GoPro or the GoPro itself, but I got no recording. So, but it's good because this is the way I can tell you that man, those pickle sandwiches were good. Fuck, man, I'm gonna have to go back and get some more because I thoroughly enjoyed it. Now it's a little messy to eat, obviously, but very tasty. I would highly recommend it. The people in there were great. They were friendly. They were yeah, they were informative, friendly. You know, I enjoyed talking to them. So like I said, I would definitely be going back to that place for sure. So here's my outro. If you would like to save 10% off VOSS helmets or VOSS apparel, check out my link in the description. If you would like to save 15% on anything in bike, motorcycle gloves, if you ride bicycles, they have shit for bicycles, apparel and stuff like that, check them out. My link's down below. I will put a link to Bikes, Beards, and Brews down below as well. And I will put a link to Peace, Love, Pickles. Peace, Love, Pickles. So, here's where I'm going to end the video. Alright, my friends. Y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.